Hello, I'm Samantha Flowers, aka Mimi. I own and operate a commercial worm farm right here in Valdosta, Georgia. We have over 22,000 square feet of dedicated worm growing space. On our farm, we grow in about 96 4x8 wooden worm beds and over 100 stackable 4x4 bins. In total, we care for millions of composting worms every single day. Through Mimi's Worms, we ship healthy composting worms, castings, and starter bundles all across the country. And through mimisworms.com, spelled M-I-M-I-S, worms.com, I share in-depth training, courses, and free resources to teach you exactly how we do it, whether you're a beginner or building something big. So if you're into composting, soil health, or worm farming, you're in the right place. I'm Mimi, and this is Mimi's Worms.
Hello everyone out there. Just wanted to take a minute to show you guys what we've got going on today. So we have set up 28 more beds. These are our 2x4 raised beds that we sell. They're the fabric beds. We have found that we can actually lift this whole bed up and pour it into a wheelbarrow. So we may be changing out all of our bagsters into these because makes it for easy harvesting. And yeah, it's just really easy to use. So we got them put together. We're going to be putting bedding in them in the next day or two, which will start out with about 2 to 4 inches of compost. And we will also start with about 8 pounds of worms in each bed. And these will be our pure redwigglers, which is all that we now grow on site. All our other worms are either grown at my home farm or they are bought in. So yeah, we've got Tabitha over there. We're harvesting castings out of the beds today. So we have Kyler over here using the pitchfork, putting them into the wheelbarrows, and then he's also putting the stuff that is not castings, the overs, the babies, the cocoons, all that, back into the bed, and then spreading that out, and then refeeding. And then we'll do this again. We do this every day. We collect castings every day to keep our beds down low. It also helps turn the beds to aerate them. We took the cardboard from these bins here, these raised beds. We soaked them overnight in the wheelbarrows, and now Kobe's down there putting those in the worm bins down there. Worms love cardboard, so it doesn't matter what size farm you have, you can always keep your cardboard out of the landfills. And so we're trying to do our part there. We try to use as much stuff as we can that is keeping it out of our landfills here, like the dairy manure. We use that. We use compost. We use gin trash. Just a lot of good stuff that has a lot of microbes, a lot of protein, just a lot of fungi. And yeah, so got Tabitha over there with the little one. I don't know if you can see him, but this is how we work. We take turns with him on our hip or in the car seat, or he's sleeping, but that's how we roll around here, keeping it in the family. Okay guys, if you haven't liked, subscribed, and hit that notification bell, go ahead and do that now, and we'll see you on the next video.